Hi guys, welcome to Ingrid Joy Aromas. Today I'm making a serum, an anti-aging face serum. And so today I want to show you all these things that I'm using. First I am starting these bottles. They are 1-ounce bottles. And I'm using this piping in a funnel, and I'm also, you can see this cap, it's for a 1-ounce bottle. So also you can learn to make this simple serum. This is a fractionated coconut oil I'm using here, and it just 5 oils. This is a vitamin E right here. This is frankincense, lavender, you don't have to use tea tree if you don't want to. Alright, let's get started. So you can save money by just making it yourself. It's so simple. A face serum recipe that will leave your skin glowing and moisturizing, and it's can reduce wrinkles and lines. Make your own anti-aging serum recipe at home. It's just so simple, and like I said, you can save money. Some of the best oil you can use for anti-serum, this face serum, is rose. You can use sandalwood, you can use jasmine, you can use caramel, you can also use lemon. I use frankincense, and you can also use myrrh. There is a few oils more out there you can use as well. I found this homemade work just as well. It's not better, it is just, you can just save money, and I mean it's more benefit for you than go out and buy all these other ones that have so much preservative. And these are just some easy step you can go ahead and just make it yourself. Sit back and watch how I make it. And for a normal face, what I'll do is I will use 2 teaspoons of fractionated coconut oil, 5 drops of vitamin E, and I will go ahead and I will use 5 drops of sandalwood, and I will go ahead again and use 4 drops of lavender. I will go ahead also and I will use 2 drops of rose, and that's a clear skin one. Now if you wanted to make a face serum for dry face, you'll go ahead and use 4 drops of myrrh, 5 drops of lavender, 4 drops of frankincense, and I will use 3 teaspoons of fractionated coconut oil, and I will use 3 drops of myrrh also. So you can place this small amount into the palm of your hands and to massage it in the face area. Make sure you don't let this oil get in your face as well, in your eyes, sorry. This serum should apply to the face after you clean your face. And this serum will last you about a year. Just store it into an airtight glass bottle for the best result.